This is why I need a camcorder. I'm getting ready to shoot the 380, and I got a
CZP09 Duty 40 caliber.
Smith & Wesson?
Yep.
All right. Let me chamber mine.
Well, the round's Smith & Wesson.
I have 6 in this. What's that one?
Like 15.
Oh, only 2 less than a 9mm. Nice. All right, I'm going to aim at that left target.
Okay.
If I can hit it. Now the sun's going to be in my face. Go for it. I'm empty.
The one on the far right over here.
All right.
I'm a terrible shot.
I am too. All right, we clear?
Yep.
All right, hold on, let me clear my weapon. I'm clear. All right, let's go take a look at our targets. Mine, I probably sucked, didn't even hit it. Was I going high?
Yes, you were.
Okay.
I didn't have proper positioning when I was aiming, when I was firing, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, I think.
Out of 14 rounds that I counted.
So, yeah.
Well, hey, hold this real quick. It's still going. I'm going to explain why the 380 sucks sometimes. Let's go in the shade real quick. These sights aren't that great. I don't know how well that's picking up, but it's kind of hard to aim, especially if the sight was a millimeter higher, and if they would have painted that white, that would have been great. And if that groove right there would have been just a little bit. Here, I'll show you what this gun's really for. Hey Jake, you want to go to a local liquor store?
Yes.
Okay,
Let's do this.
Let's see. I want a fizz, a Jack Daniels.
I want a 40 a Red Bull.
All right. And then all of a sudden, some asshole's asking us for our money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch this shit.
Nice.
That is what this is for.
Brutal.
Yes, this is not meant for long range. Just hit the pause button real quick. All right, my buddy's getting ready to shoot the 357. I hate this on. Sometimes. Sometimes it's cool, sometimes it sucks. There it is. 18 even grains of Lil Gun, 357, 158 grains. Yes. Everything in that black box is 158 grain.
Okay.
Look how calm and peaceful loading a revolver can be.
Very meditative.
Yes. I don't need speed loaders. When I'm shooting my Magnum, it's not for competition anyway. Hold on before you pop that bitch off.
Okay.
Go forward about 2 feet. Okay. And remember, kids, 357 doesn't just have a muzzle blast. It has
That's a kick.
a cylinder blast. All right, let me get in position here. All right, pop that bitch off.
Damn. Oh man, I can feel that.
So, does my Magnum work
Oh
better?
man, I can feel it punching me in the face.
How do you think the bad guy feels?
Oh man, that's pretty bad. Damn, now I want a 357.
Don't buy a Taurus.
No.
No. I just send it back. Not once, not twice, 3 times. Oh, well, yeah. And these were 158 grain that I got out of a bad batch that was given to me, and I recycled the bullets and the shell casings.
Damn, that thing freaking kicked.
No, like every time I pulled the trigger, I could just feel it punching me in the face.
That's awesome. You want to try some lighter 357s?
Sure.
All right.
You want to save the stress?
Yeah, right in there. Remember, kids, look what a revolver. You want your breath. Oh, is it being a douchebag?
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. Only bad thing about a revolver once it starts getting dirty. Oh, plus I've been shooting 38s and 357s.
Oh, okay.
When you shoot, let's see the cylinder again. When you shoot 357s and 38s, the 38 special is that far from where a 357 is, so you get all this buildup, and then when you shove a 357 in, it pushes the buildup even further down.
Nice.
So there's your fun fact of the day. These are my 125 grain, 8.5 grains of HP 38 that I got at the gun show in Greenfield, Indiana,
When was that?
2 weekends ago.
Oh, okay.
Is that 7?
I need one more.
One more. That's what I thought. All right. All right. We are still recording and ready when you are.
Nice.
Right on. All right, I'm going to pause it.